Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send XRP from your Revolut account to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is quick, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps with crypto transfers. First things first, make sure you have a Revolut account with some XRP in it and the Arculus wallet app installed on your device. If you don't have Arculus yet, download it from your app store and set it up. It's user-friendly and great for secure storage. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're on the latest version for 2025 updates. Step 2. Head over to the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your digital assets are managed. Step 3. Locate XRP in your portfolio. Tap on it to open the details. Step 4. Hit the Send or Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Start with a small amount if you're testing. Step 5. Now, switch to your Arculus wallet app. Go to the Receive section and select XRP. Copy the wallet address provided. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be precise. Step 6. Back in Revolut, paste that address into the recipient field. Double-check it for accuracy because crypto addresses are case-sensitive and errors can lead to lost funds. Step 7. Review the transaction details, including any fees, and confirm the send. You'll get a confirmation notification once it's processed. Step 8. Head back to Arculus wallet to verify that your XRP has arrived. It might take a minute or two, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred XRP from Revolut to Arculus. A quick tip. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and use this method for personal transfers only. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.